Welcome to our guide on how to use AI for personalized marketing campaigns. In today's fast-paced digital landscape, standing out is more challenging than ever. That's where AI technology comes in, revolutionizing how we approach personalized marketing. Whether you're in the bustling streets of New York or the vibrant markets of Istanbul, AI offers a transformative edge. Imagine this: a marketing strategy that speaks directly to each customer, understanding their needs before they even express them. This isn't just a dream, it's the reality of AI-driven personalized marketing. From the tech hubs of London to the innovation centers in Singapore, AI is reshaping marketing strategies across the globe. So, how does AI make this possible? Let's break it down. First, AI analyzes vast amounts of data, drawing insights that were once unimaginable. It segments your audience with precision, allowing you to tailor messages that resonate deeply. For instance, in Germany or Spain, AI can help you craft campaigns that align perfectly with local preferences and cultural nuances. But what about implementation? How do you start? Begin by identifying the specific needs and behaviors of your target audience. Use AI tools to gather and analyze data, tools that are becoming increasingly user-friendly and accessible, even for small businesses. Next, consider integrating AI into your existing platforms. Many businesses in Switzerland and Iceland are seeing success by incorporating AI into their CRM systems, automating customer interactions, and enhancing user experiences. The beauty of AI lies in its adaptability. It's not just a one-size-fits-all solution. Whether you're targeting the USA or expanding into new markets like Kosovo, AI provides the flexibility to tailor strategies to meet diverse market demands. As we conclude, remember that embracing AI in marketing isn't just about keeping up with trends, it's about leading the way. With AI, you're not only enhancing your marketing efforts, but also creating a personalized experience that builds lasting customer relationships. Thank you for joining us on this journey through AI-driven personalized marketing. We hope you're inspired to explore these innovative strategies and transform your marketing campaigns into powerful, personalized experiences. Until next time, keep innovating and connecting with your audience in meaningful ways.